Want to dress like this? But you don't know where to start? I'm here to guide you through that. This video will cover the origin of this aesthetic, how to build your Coquette wardrobe, and websites where to purchase Coquette-styled clothing. Let us begin. The Coquette aesthetic encompasses a delicate, romantic, and feminine style. It draws inspiration from the early 2000s fashions, as well as the Japanese Lolita trend. High-waisted skirts, lace blouses, ribbons, bows, handbags, and knee-high socks are some of the main components of this style. The Coquette aesthetic is divided into various subcultures, including American Coquette, Gloomy Dillette, Fairy Coquette, and Vintage Coquette. Here are more examples of this style. Next up, how to build Coquette wardrobe. This aesthetic is characterized by pale pink, ivory, white, and nude tones. It pays attention to light colors like dusty rose, beige, pastel lavender, and baby blue. Try pairing the hues listed before with white to get a harmonized and balanced effect. It is important to remember that buying impulsively can lead to regrets later down the road. Make a few modest purchases to expand your closet. The following items will assist you in creating a Coquette wardrobe. Purchase a white dress, a white miniskirt, and a pastel pink cardigan. Buy a pair of pastel pink or white Mary Jane shoes, 2 camisole tops, and 1 lace tank top. If you desire to embrace the Coquette aesthetic during winter, consider buying a white fur trim jacket and white earmuffs, as well as white stockings and leg warmers. Textures in the Coquette aesthetic often include soft and luxurious fabrics like silk, lace, chiffon, faux fur, and delicate ruffles. Avoid overly harsh or rough textures that can disrupt the soft and delicate nature of the Coquette aesthetic. Steer clear of heavy fabrics like coarse wool or overly shiny materials. Be cautious not to overwhelm the outfit with too many textures at once, as maintaining balance within the outfit is key to achieving the Coquette aesthetic. Elevating your outfits with delicate and playful details is important. Accessories that complement the Coquette aesthetic include pearl necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. They add a classic and elegant touch to your outfit. Lace gloves, ribbons, and bows, which contribute to the sweet and playful vibe. Small, dainty bags, headbands, and berets, as well as heart-shaped sunglasses. Remember, the key is choosing accessories that enhance the overall soft and feminine theme of the outfit without being overly flashy or heavy. If you're building a wardrobe for your desired style, you must not only consider the quality, but also the cost. Here's a list of websites that have reasonable prices and Coquette-inspired clothing. Shane, Bershka, Yes Style, Steve Madden, Remember to channel your inner enchantress and express your style with grace. Whether it's the delicate sway of lace or the subtle elegance of pearls, let the Coquette aesthetic be your guide to a world where femininity and romance intertwine. Until next time, thank you for watching.